Okay, welcome back, boys and girls. Today is day two of working with our Unit 1 in vocabulary. We're going to apply what we know. So today we're going to be working with synonyms and antonyms. So again, you're going to be using your vocabulary packet and you're looking for this page, which is titled Synonyms and Antonyms. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So again, I'm going to only cover up. First part I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing synonyms. So I know that synonyms means the same. So I'm going to kind of put that there so that I know that I'm looking for the same. And then I know at the bottom, antonyms means opposite. So I'm going to put those so I don't get confused when I do that. Okay. So I'm going to start with the first one for synonyms, okay? And I'm going to be looking for a word that is nearly the same as the bold-faced word. Okay, so I'm looking for another word that means the same as guidance. So if I'm thanking her for her guidance, when I looked back at my definitions, I can see guidance, oops, right there it says guidance, and that's under the word counsel. Because guidance means somebody that will give me advice, like you have a guidance counselor, helps give you advice, kind of points you in the right direction, and I'm going to thank her for her advice. So I'm going to write advice. Now I'm going to look at my words and see which word meant advice. Well, I know a celebrity is a famous person, and to pledge something is kind of to make a vow. And a stampede, well, that's when a bunch of animals are running towards me. So my word that's going to mean the same as advice is going to be counsel. So I'm going to circle that word. And actually, you can take and write that word right there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and look at do one down here at the antonyms part. So when I look at my antonyms, I'm going to do my first one, and it says a life of ease. Well, that word ease, I know that ease it sounds kind of like easy, maybe not hard. So sometimes your life might not be so hard. So I'm going to look for a word that is the opposite, because remember, I'm looking at the opposite. Opposite of something that's easy, or opposite of something that is not hard, which might mean it's very hard. So I have, oh, well, look right there. I've got counsel, and I know counsel means to give advice, so it can't be that. And pledge means I'm going to make a vow of some sort. That's not going to be the opposite of easy. Stampede, well, that's a bunch of animals running towards us. And so I'm guessing it's going to be a hardship. And I know it's going to be a hardship because when I look at the definition for hardship, I can see it says something that causes suffering or difficulty. And a synonym for that would be a burden or an ordeal. But if I look at antonyms, I see the word ease or comfort. So I know for a fact that it is going to be a hardship. Okay, so boys and girls, you're going to use those same strategies that I just used to go ahead and complete the rest of this page. When you finish, you can go ahead and put your answers into the Google form and hit submit, and then go ahead and mark it complete, and your teacher will get the answers. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.